In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for better team and group scheduling. 5 minutes. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address, select Continue, then type your password and continue again. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home, where you can see your scheduling options and event types. To bring your team into Calendly, open the Admin Center. This is where you manage people and permissions. If you don't see the Admin Center, you may need admin access from your organization. Inside the admin area, choose View Team to see your current members. To add new teammates, select Invite Users. Type in the team member's email address, then proceed with Next, Set Roles. Roles control what each person can do, like managing events or viewing organization settings, so choose the level that matches their responsibilities. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. Your teammates will receive an email to join, and you can track their status later in the team view. When you're done, head back to home. Now let's fine-tune a group event so multiple people can book the same time slot, perfect for trainings, webinars, or office hours. From the homepage, select Event Types. Find and open your group event. If you already have one, it will appear in your list. Open it to edit. Inside the event settings, look for Invitee Limit. This setting controls how many people can grab the same slot. Click Invitee Limit, then enter the number of attendees you want to allow for each time. Think about your format and capacity. Set a number that keeps the session productive while fitting your goals. For example, smaller sessions can improve interaction, while larger limits work for broadcast-style updates. When your limit looks right, click Save Changes. That locks in your capacity across available times for this event. If your team will co-host or monitor attendance, they'll now have access through their Calendly accounts, and the invitee limit will automatically prevent overbooking. To recap, you logged in, opened the admin center, invited users with appropriate roles, returned home, and adjusted the invitee limit on your group event before saving. From here, you can share the event link with your audience and let Calendly handle the coordination. Your team will appreciate the streamlined scheduling, and your attendees will get a smooth booking experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy simpler team and group scheduling with Calendly.